You videotaping?
Yes.
Is it called videotape?
No.
No.
Well, no, because there's no tape involved.
Videoing.
Videoing. Yes. What do you do with this button? I don't know.
What? I'm petting Herman. Like your mermaids.
I thought we had a conversation about that.
You said trees.
That you cut a tree down.
Wasn't even a maple. This wasn't even a maple or anything.
That's a maple tree.
It looks different than that.
And I am like really hot and dirty. Hot and sweaty and dirty. Yeah. So.
What are you doing here, Griffiths? Wait a minute.
Wait. What?
Are those OSHA approved?
They're my slippers.
What are you wearing?
Okay, I'm wearing slippers because I'm doing shiplap around our bed.
Yeah?
Why are you so close to my
I
face?
don't know.
Okay.
Hello. Up here. Meow. Meow. Come across a lot of reptiles in the outback here. Here we've come across one of the most venomous snakes in North America.
Well,
it's the blue racer. Look at him go.
oh boy.